a fun and exciting time. It is an opportunity to grow personally and professionally. We want to make sure that everyone has the best experience possible, so we all need to work together to make sure that we look out for ourselves and each other. At UTEP, minors take care of minors.
Here are a few ways that you can practice safe habits on campus and in your community. Stay informed and know the emergency resources. In emergency, try to contact 911.
Be aware of your surroundings at all times. When you're walking, turn your music down and look around to see what's going on around you.
See something potentially dangerous? Tell someone. It could be anything from a light that's gone out or a potential tense situation between fellow students.
Walk with friends or use the safety escort program. Going out with friends gives you the opportunity to look out for each other. A safety escort is available by calling the number on your screen.
Also know where the emergency phones are located on campus, and guess what? The phones in the elevators connects directly to the UTEP Police Department.
Also, as a student at UTEP, you are automatically a part of the Minor Alert text system. If there were an emergency, you'd be informed of vital information.
Crimes of opportunity happen all the time on college campuses, and we don't want this to happen at UTEP. Always take your belongings with you, even if you're just going to step away for a minute.
Being a student at UTEP means helping each other and stepping up when someone needs assistance.
Our university is part of a diverse global community with people from all different backgrounds. Part of your educational experience is to learn to deal with people who are different from you and to have respect and empathy for them as fellow human beings.
So get to know your neighbors, classmates, lab partners, or coworkers. The more you know your fellow minors, the more likely you're able to identify when a dangerous situation is taking place and can call for help.
The university is also the place where you continue to build your public and professional reputation.
In everything we do, including communication, we should always think how our actions could impact others, including ourselves, our family members, our colleagues, and the members of our community.
Social media can really build people up or tear them down. How would you feel if the things you posted were said about you?
Take your time and think things through. Impulsively posting messages is never a good idea. Be selective with what you share online. Don't advertise that you won't be home for an extended period of time, and avoid checking in on social media.
Be careful when you're not at your best. If your ability to make good decisions is impaired in any way by alcohol, stress, or emotional strain, be very careful with what you post.
Think about your future. Social media can be a help or a hindrance in advancing your career.
It's important to remember in all types of communication, we follow the code. Seek help and support from trusted sources before you post something you might regret. On the other hand, don't be afraid about asking for help or support through social media.
Whether it's your safety in the community or online, we care about your well-being. While it's not always possible to prevent harm, practicing safe habits online and in person contributes to our community of care.
Minors taking care of minors creates a powerful network between students who looks out for each other, whether it is on or off campus.
Call 911 if it is an emergency, or contact a faculty or staff member if you suspect something isn't right.
Make sure to always ask for help. Do your part. When you help your fellow minors, everyone benefits.